In this video, we're going to look at another example using angle of elevation or depression. Let's get into it. So we're told we've got the top of a tower has an angle of elevation of 45 degrees from a point on the ground, and then from a point 100 meters further on, the angle of elevation is 30. So let's just draw ourselves a bit of a triangle with here's our tower. We're not actually going to do too much kind of artistic drawing. And we just know that this is 45 degrees. Now, if you think about it, if you move this way, that angle is going to get smaller. So we've moved another 100 meters. And now angle of elevation, so from the horizontal up to this top of the tower, now is 30 degrees. Now, we need to get the height of the tower, right? And we don't have any measurements of this right angle triangle we've got here. But we do have this side length here, and we've got that angle. And also, if you think about it, we can get the angle here because we know this straight line has 180 degrees all up. So we've got 180 take 45 will give us the angle in here. So what's that? We get 175 take away 40. So what, this is 135 degrees, isn't it? All the way around there, that angle. Leaving how many degrees left? So what, we'd be at 165 with those, so another 15 in here, and we add up to 180, being a triangle. So now from there, we can do a bit of sine rule to get this hypotenuse of our right angle triangle, and then we can solve for the height here, h. So what, we know, so say, what do we want? We want to get this. So let's call it x. So x is opposite 30. So x on sine 30 is equal to this one and its opposite angle. So 100 on sine 15. So x is sine 30 times 100 on sine 15. From there, we're going to need a calculator because we can't do sine 15 as an exact value very easily. So we got sine of 30. Sine of 30 times by 100 on sine 15. And we're in degrees, so this should work out okay. We get 193.185. So x is that. 193 point, let's just call it 0.19. And we just go back to our other thing. So we know x here is 193.19. So that's our hypotenuse. We want to get h here. And we can use a bit of right angle trig here. So what? If that's our angle, we've got a hypotenuse and our opposite. So we could say sine of 45 is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is h. The hypotenuse is x. And x is 193.19. So h should be 193.19 times by sine of 45. Now I happen to know that sine of 45 is 1 on root 2. However, I'm just going to use my cas because this is some pretty nasty numbers. So let's go, oh, we can even go, take this up here, times it by sine of 45. And press enter, and we get the height of the tower is 136.6. Let's just call it that, round to one decimal place. And let's see,